So next we have your typical kicks. They're the roundhouse kicks. You can throw them off the front or the lead leg. The front or the rear leg. Obviously, your rear leg is going to be your power leg, so that's what I'm aiming for more than most of the time. I want the powerful kick. The way we do it typically when we're throwing our roundhouse kick, we're trying to land with our shin. Right? We want our shin to land into either our opponent's body, our opponent's head, or our opponent's legs. And as we throw the kick, we're twisting ourselves open. So, throwing the rear leg first, I'm going to get on the balls of my toes. I don't want to be planted. Get on the balls of my toes, I'm going to open up my hip first. That way I'm going to whip through and come around with it. So, same thing as the push kick. If I'm throwing my right leg, I'm going to let my right hand swing back to get a little more momentum. So as I turn, I open up the left foot, whip that right leg through, come right back up. One more time, I come up. So as I'm coming up, I'm bringing my knee up first, and I'm slicing through with the shin. One more time, I'm going to step open with the left, whip it through. Now, same can be done with the left leg though, the front leg. It's a little different. There's certain ways to do it. I can just lean back and throw it, or very common, what a lot of guys do is they throw the switch kick. So as I'm here, before I throw my kick now, I switch my feet. So now I'm going to use my right roundhouse. I'm on my toes, and I'm chopping through with the left leg. Same thing, as I throw the left, my left hand drops, I'm on my toes off my heel, and I'm using it to pivot. So one more time, let's say I'm in this position, I want to throw the front leg kick. I switch, open up, and kick. And here we go with the roundhouse. Again, I'm always trying to make contact with my shin. Again, the back swing, you might catch it with the foot a little bit. For the most part, you want to dig the shin into the back. Wherever you can get, you can get it low for the leg kick, you can get it in the middle for the body kick, or you can get it high for the head kick. So I'm just going to whip it in. You throw it off that one, or the front leg. Remember, I switch first. Side to side, either one you want.